Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The bug is on the leaf. The bug is on the leaf. She hugs her mom. She hugs her mom. The boy can run fast. The boy can run fast. The sun is bright. The sun is bright.
Your turn.